It didn't come from it. So look at the matches I drew. Agreed. As a folks, everybody's game. Now we should have won the BBN Stars. You know, if I won, maybe it would have been a different story. We will still be competing. So, to me, I've done my part. I don't know the number of matches I played. I think 5 for this thing. And I've been able to go to this point. All my prayers is to win the FA. Then I'll be satisfied that at the end of the day, as a technical director, I've done my best when I took over.
Now, assessment of the players when you took over, what would you say about them now?
You want to lose it because you know them better than me. They were playing in front of you before I came.
You trained them more than me?
No, you saw them more than me. With my procedure, they are improving day after day or match after match. But for the rest, the only match I watch, apart from Beijing, I was here when BBN beat Dreams 4. I was also here with the U19. I was scouting the U19, and then the one they played against Dreams. I saw that I have not watched their game. So if there's any assessor, you can assess it better than me. I can't give myself A. You understand me? I can't assess myself. The number of matches I play, per the result or per the way, you can know whether they are going up or they are going down. So you can.
Okay, I understand. Sorry, my last question. Now, the big picture is next season. Still, same big deal over here.
It seems it's yet to happen.
But you will still be around because.
Why do you say I'm still there? Are you Ghana?
But you see the technical.
No, look.
What I was trying to ask was.
Look, I want reality.
Okay.
There's nobody tells me anything. It is. I've been hearing this and that. So my concentration is how to finish the league and win the FA. Until then, I'm nobody. I'm technical director.
So I was asking, what do you think the future looks like for?
I can't think about that since it is not there.
No, on your title, not your position. The team itself, the future next season. What do you think? What should the fans expect from the team? Looking at what you've done with them.
Look, from now, are you sure I'm going to take over next year? Let the person come, then you ask him, not me. If you ask me, you ask me about what is going to happen with the FA. And I told you I'm going to do everything possible to win. But if you tell me the next season, am I the coach next season? Why should I have the coach? So tell me please, you know your man.
Congrats.
Thank you.
When you took over, you said you are coming to add beauty to goals.
Yes.
I want to know, has that philosophy gone on well with the players? How do you assess that idea, adding beauty to goals from the team?
When they say adding beauty to goal scoring, look at all the goals he scored. Look at the goals. Wasn't it beautiful? So I'm adding. But it will take time. You see, football is not about today or tomorrow. It's that just like you put the boys in the classroom, you've been teaching them, and definitely some will pass, some will fail. But with time, so they say repetition brings automation brings perfection. This is what I'm doing. You understand me? So gradually they are responding to the way I want them to play. And if you look at the time I took over to today, I'm not satisfied with the way they are playing. At least it's not to the high degree, but there's a progress in the boys' play. If against themselves, there's a goal we scored 3 touches from the goalkeeper, 1 to go. We're not happy.
I was happy.
So that's it. Beauty to go score this guy. Thank you.
Right. Coach, congrats.
Thank you.
Looking
It's the end of the game. So that is why we're struggling. It's a fact. We're struggling in the middle. So we changed and then start attacking at the wing. And then we got them. Yeah, you're right.
Do you have a follow-up?
my last question. I want to ask the performance of Medeama going forward or to them in every cup. What combination will you like to use, Albert and Campo? Will you like to play them both or you will change their positions?
want to do it. Please, I won't change.
Right, thank you so much, Coach, for coming. Congratulations.